So what kind of things are involved in a DUI investigation? What tests may I have to do?
Okay, so the test you have to do is something called standardized field sobriety exercises, okay? There's basically 3 that are done in every DUI investigation, assuming someone consents to do it. First is HGN, horizontal gaze nystagmus. It's the eye test where they look at your eyes. They're not checking to see if you're concussed. They're checking to see if your eyes bounce in a certain way. It's nystagmus. We'll talk about that in a different video. Second, one-leg stand, okay? They want to see if you can stand on one leg for 30 seconds, and there's lots of little things they're looking for that they don't tell you they're looking for. Third test that's almost always done, the walk and turn. They'll have you take 9 steps down a line, turn around, come back. There's a ton of things they're looking at, and they're going to see if they can mark clues from impairment. Those are the 3 standards. There's 2 alternatives, wrong verb alphabet, where they have you put your head back and they'll have you say the alphabet, and they're seeing how you say it, slurs, things of that nature. And the last but not least is the finger to nose. That's an alternative test, and they use it for people who don't have, if they have leg issues or medical issues prevent them from balancing well. Long story short, those are the 5 main ones. They're using that in combination with everything else they're observing to try and find probable cause to make an arrest.
And after they make that arrest, they may ask you to do a breath test or a urine test. Now remember that it is your right to refuse those. There may be consequences like driver's license suspensions, but it is your right to refuse if you don't feel comfortable.